Hello, Auntie. My name is Ariane. May I have 7 minutes of your time?
Yeah, sure.
I want to share gossip and the good news. Did you know that God loves you so much? He sent His one and only Son into the world, not to judge, but to save the world. His Son died for you and for me, so that you and me can have eternal life. And did you know if you have Jesus in your heart, you will have eternal life? Jesus said in John 11 verses 25 and 26, anyone who lives and believes in Him will live again even after dying. Do you believe this, Auntie?
Yes.
So, Auntie, it's good to have Jesus in our heart. My sister also wants to share a few of how we can be saved. Anna, come, it's your turn.
Yes, aunties. My name is Ariana. Do you know that we can be saved? In Romans 10 verse 9 to 10 and 13 says, if you openly declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, you will be saved. For it is by believing in your heart that you are made right with God. And it is by openly declaring your faith that you are saved. For everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. So, if you want to know more, my mama can tell you more. Or you can also come to our church and read the Bible. Thank you for your time. God bless you.
Thank you.